Lance World. Today my sister is going to talk about COVID-19 vaccine. She got the vaccine from New York. She will be explaining the experience of vaccination. So please watch her video. Okay? Thank you.
Hello, this is Minnie. I'm talking from New York. I'm coming to see you all through my sister's channel. She's also in healthcare and I work in healthcare too. So we decided to do this video to bring you the message about COVID-19 vaccine. I was very fortunate to get the first dose of vaccine 2 days ago on the 6th, and I'm going to share my experience having the vaccine. There are a lot of people questioning whether the vaccine is out, whether they have to be worried about any kind of side effects, complications. So I'm going to tell you what happened after the vaccination for me. So for the vaccination, when you go to the building, first they check your temperature as always, and then they have some screening questions. So after that, once you're in the building, they have a temporary setup. That's what they did for us. And we went in there, we had a couple of forms needed to be filled. There are 8 questions and some demographics and a consent. So the questions I have taken a screenshot and I'm adding that in this video so you can see it yourself. So the questions will be asked, and if every answer is no, you can proceed to take the vaccination. It was a fine needle. I didn't even feel anything. It was the easiest shot. Many people asked me whether it was painful. No, not at all. So you don't have to be worried about that. Got the shot, and then after that, they give you a card with the vaccination dosage you took and the manufacturer lot number. So after you get the card, you move on to another person, and she gave me a timer with 15 minutes of time, and then we had to sit down there just to see whether we had any kind of reaction, allergic reaction, so they can give you the medical emergency help. Actually, I didn't have any problems, so I left after 15 minutes with my sticker that I got my vaccine. Then later, around a couple of hours into it, I got some kind of little heaviness. I got it on the left hand. Then at the end of the day, I got it at 9 o'clock in the morning, New York time, and towards the end of the day, I had a little bit pain, and the pain was increasing, so I couldn't lift my hand. And it's very common, those who have taken flu vaccine, they know it. Muscle pain little bit happens after each year of flu vaccine taken. So that's the same thing happened. I took a just over-the-counter pain reliever just one time. I slept not on that side. I purposely did not sleep on left side. And next day morning, that was 12 hours later, the pain started going down. I could lift my hand more. Towards the end of Thursday, I was perfectly fine. And by Friday, I didn't even remember getting the vaccination. It was completely gone, that kind of pain. So that was my experience. You may be wondering whether I had ever COVID and I took the vaccination. No, we did not have the COVID. God's blessing, we all 3 were fine. My husband and my teenage son and I. Yes, I know somebody who had COVID in his 60s. He had antibody, but still he preferred to take the COVID vaccine. So he also had his first dose, and I'm going to have my second dose on the 27th. So I could certainly tell you how that was, and then we can find out from there whether there was any more complications, because the first dose was very mild and the second dose is going to be a little stronger. So I can tell about me and him, so that you can be very rest assured and be relaxed to getting the vaccination. If you have any medical problems, please get the consent from your doctor or the healthcare professional, so they can advise you. You can get, you're appropriate for getting this vaccine. So I'm hoping that this video is going to help you to see somebody who had vaccine and I'm absolutely fine. I just want to encourage you, if you are given the opportunity to take the vaccine, go ahead and have it if you have the medical clearance. That's a beautiful thing. So you are going to save your life and everyone around you. I wish you all a very peaceful and healthy new year. You know, it's very much hopeful year for all of us because the vaccine is here. I'm sure it will come around to each and every country. India, I'm not sure which vaccine you're going to get there, but it's definitely going to come. So I just want people to know that nothing to be scared, nothing to be worried. You all will be okay to take the vaccine. Just an encouragement from me. And you may be wondering, living in New York in the middle of pandemic, how we saved ourselves from getting the COVID-19. I can certainly tell you, we took all the precautions, what CDC recommended. And whenever we went out, very rarely I went out other than going to work. So any public place for groceries we went, we did, take some wipes with us, and obviously people know it, some sanitizer in the car, so always use that. Then when we came home, we used soap and water to wash our hands, and clearly that worked along with the mask. Every time in public, we were wearing it. So please do follow the rules and follow the precautions, take the precautions, and you will all be able to stay safe. Going to public places, cut back on that. We didn't do any parties, we didn't go to any parties. We maintained the distance from another person. But over the phone and FaceTime and all that, you can be very close to your family, close to your friends. So it's just you're taking a little bit break by going to someone's house to see them. That's it. I will be back again in 3 weeks to see you all, so I can tell you about my second dosage of COVID-19 vaccine and give you more details. So please share the video with the people who are about to take the vaccine or who are doubting whether they needed to take the vaccine. I hope this video is going to be very helpful to them. So I hope you will also share the video among your friends and family, and subscribe so that when I post the next video through my sister, you will get it first. So I wish you again a very peaceful and healthy new year, and I'll see you in 3 weeks. Thank you all for listening to me, watching our video, and bye-bye.